this is Anita C. So right now I'm in Jakarta. I'm staying at the Sheraton Grand Jakarta Gandaria City Hotel. I'm just here for one night. I just landed, so I will be having some meetings tomorrow, and then I'll be flying to Bali to continue my business trip. So anyway, I changed the format a little bit. Before my detailed room tour, which I received good comments from you guys, because mine is like one take, first take. So that's exactly what I get when I walk in, not stage, no promotion materials or promotion information. So what you see is what I got, and that's what you will be getting if you check in at the same hotel. So anyway, before I just talk when I'm doing the room tour, and it's a little bit boring, so what I decided to do is to talk to you first before the room tour and give you a little bit more information. So I haven't been back to Jakarta for many years, and Jakarta in my mind is always traffic jam and things like that. So traffic is still here at Jakarta, but I think this location is something that, as a business traveler, that's the reason that I booked. Is next to the shopping mall. Actually, that's direct access from this hotel to the shopping mall. The lady told me from the south lobby. So that's what I'm going to check out after I do the room tour for you. And as the Platinum Bonvoy Elite member, that's what I'm going to talk to you about. Is I will get the breakfast at the club floor, club lounge, and also the evening hors d'oeuvres from 5 to 8 p.m. That is very popular and a very good reputation, online, and that's why I want to try. And then complimentary meeting room usage for 2 hours, have to book in advance, and like a desktop computer to be used at the business center, which is in the club lounge, as well as 2 pieces of pressing per stay. Okay, so that's pretty much a Marriott Bonvoy Elite benefit. So before I just read it out, showing it to you, and today I'm going to change a little bit, so I'll give you this information first before my room tour. And I just want to let you know I'm very excited. It's spoiled. I got upgraded to a junior suite, and I will show you everything. And let's look at the welcome tricks that I'm getting. So now just follow me, I will show you everything. Hello everyone, so this is my room tour. I call it the first take of one take because what I see is what you will get when you get into this room. I'm in room 1532, which is a junior suite, so got upgraded, very nice, thank you. So when I walk into my left is a huge walk-in closet area, and then with 2 bathrooms. The luggage rack area over here, iron board, the safe deposit box, some laundry bags, and then 2 pair of slippers. Okay, and then on my right is actually the washroom and the bathroom area. So they have good bottle of water, single sink. Let's take a look at the amenity. Okay. And then it's actually quite a big area. So this is the toilet, and they have the bathtub as well as the rain shower. And of course the usual amenities in plastic bottle for sustainability. Okay. So walking out to the main area, Jakarta is probably a destination mostly for business traveler. So this hotel is very good for business traveler. with the ergonomical chair, the table. I'm on the 15th floor, very open view that I have. And then the king size bed. And even if it's not Bali, I got a lovely elephant here. Thank you. So it's really a big size, the full king size bed, with very good, mattress and the linen and the pillow. Okay. Oh, by the way, they also got the universal adapter as well. So, really equipped for business traveler. And then the television here. And then they got the coffee machine. Okay, but they do not. Oh, this is the port. Okay, so this is for the coffee machine. The port nuts. Okay, very interesting. Haven't used it before. Okay. And then with the coffee mug with another 4 bottles of water. And let's check it out. Okay, with the glasses as well. And then this is the mini fridge. It's nothing in here, so it's a fridge and not really the mini bar. Okay, so for the junior suite, this is the lovely sitting area, the sofa area. And again, got so spoiled, with this lovely, lovely treat as the welcome, and a bottle of wine as well. Okay, so basically this is the junior suite at the Sheraton Grand Jakarta Hotel. And I'm going to go to the club lounge for the evening hors d'oeuvres, and I'm going to try its very famous buffet dinner tonight, and I will show everything to you. So just follow me.